program number, then the separation will be done by the machine itself. So now here, this one extra satellite bag contains the additive solution. So this gives an extra life for the RBC, the remaining RBCs. So usually the packed RBC or the whole bread can be stored for only 35 days with the CPD solution. But if you, this is having the SAGM solution, that is the additive solution. So if you add that to the RBC, that can be stored for 1 week extra. That means 42 days you can preserve. Okay. So this is the SAGM solution. This you have to fix here. And this is the plasma bag. See, now you can see the separation. So the plasma is getting collected in this bag now. There is a plasma bag. So once the plasma is got separated, some small amount of plasma will be left there, and that will come to this buffet bag. And some amount of plasma and some amount of buffet core and RBCs also will get collected in this. Around 100 ml of this thing, all this thing will be collected in this. And the SAGM solution will go back to the RBC. Because once after all the plasma has been separated, the RBCs will be very thick, it will be very viscous. So like that you cannot transfuse to the patient, you can give it to the patient because that won't be transfused through the set. So when this SAGM is added, that will, the viscosity will be reduced so that it can be transfused easily. See, now the plasma has been transferred there, now the buffet coat is being collected here. So after this, the SAGM will go to this. So these all being done automatically. So you don't have to do anything manually. So once that is done, that will get sealed over here. You can just detach the bags. So like this. And you can, the storage condition will be different for different components. So this is a packed RBC now. This can be stored at 2 to 6 degrees Celsius. And you can keep for, as this is containing the additive solution also, you can keep for 42 days. Otherwise, if there is no additive solution, you can keep only for 35 days. And this is the plasma, you can store at -18 or lower temperature, and you can store for 1 year. This will contain all the coagulation factors. See, the components will be given for the different components. Suppose the patient is having anemia, lacking of RBCs, then you will give the packed RBC. The patient is bleeding, the bleeding may be due to different this thing. Either may be due to platelet, lacking of platelets, or maybe due to lacking of coagulation factors. So if the coagulation factor deficiency is there, then you can give plasma. If it is the bleeding is due to platelet deficiency, then you have to give the platelets. So now this is the buffet coat solution. This again you have to spin. After 1 hour, you have to spin it again at a lower speed. Then the plasma separates in that, so which contains the platelets. And this you can store as plasma. And this is the packed RBC. Okay. So for different bags or different components, there will be different programs.